Hi, if you get just 10 seconds to guess which is the toughest part of building a business, what would be your answer? If you have just 10 seconds. Maybe by now you have thought about it, but let me tell you what is the toughest part of building a business. It's decision making. Okay. Decision making brings maximum amount of stress in the life of professionals or in the life of executives or those who are building their businesses, entrepreneurs or professional influencers. Okay, everyone. Because the reason is when you get different choices and you are unable to pick the right answer for you, it keep on building stress in your life. And with the the increment of stress, it becomes really hard to stay consistent. So today's topic is supercharge your business decision with AI in record time. Okay, I will show you step by step how you can make better decision with the help of artificial intelligence. And today's theme is how AI is revolutionizing business strategy and decision making. So not only I'm going to talk about some AI tools, but I'm going to talk about some of my thoughts as well. So welcome into the next lecture of Rethink AI series, where we talk about how we can use artificial intelligence to grow businesses for professionals, or you can say, I am working here to connect AI and businesses together. So, welcome to the Rex community. If you have not subscribed yet, I highly recommend please consider subscribing. We are coming up with one of the most amazing resources, content, and ideas for you. So, what is preface today? Making the right decision at the right time is critical for business success. If you are just couple of months behind the right timing, your business will not get success, or maybe by that time competition will get the advantage. Or if your business is a couple of months ahead of the time, chances are your product will fail. Okay, so AI eliminate guesswork by providing instant insight, predictions, and automation. That's why AI is so effective. So what happens generally? um, Look at this graph, time stress curve. This is not mathematical model or has not been made on the numbers parameter. This is here to give you the background idea of how time and stress work. Let's say you have to make a decision and you are unable to decide, so you keep on procrastination, you keep on holding the decision, and time kept on increasing, like 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 5 week, okay, 1 month, 2 month. So with every passing day the stress level goes higher. Okay, and it becomes really difficult. With every passing day the stress is high, and it becomes literally challenging to make that decision. And simultaneously, when you are just delaying the time, you are just passing the time, you are unable to make the decision, your success rate start dropping down, because the opportunities get less and less in terms of you know or someone else come and they occupy those opportunities or those spaces which you are looking for, which you are preparing for. So initially it's look like normal, okay, in the success, so opportunities of success are getting less and less and less and less, and then suddenly it sharply goes down and your stress level goes up at a very significant rate. And what is surprising part for me, in traditional management institute, we don't talk about all these things. We talk about team building, PPT making, Excel making, but we don't talk about these important things, that when you delay the decision, your stress goes up and up. Or when you delay the decision, your success rate, chances of your success, probability of your success get less and less. So AI help businesses stay ahead by analyzing trends, optimizing strategies, and reducing uncertainty. The maximum amount of stress, even in decision making, if we go even deeper, the maximum amount of stress comes from uncertainty, because you have two options and you have no idea what to do, or you have five options. Okay, so we will look into that today. And today's lecture is one of the most amazing lecture. I have prepared many more such ideas for you. Okay. So how AI transforms business decision making? First of all, what is the core job of executives? Okay, you are executive, you are working for an executive, or you wish to become an executive. Okay, or let's say you are entrepreneur, or wish to be entrepreneur, or you are already working for some entrepreneurs. Then the core job of an entrepreneur is first, uh, management of organization culture. Uh, Culture is the most powerful thing in any business, culture and system. Practically, if you ask me, Jadi, what are the two most important things to build a business? One is culture and the other is system. If you have system at the right place, you get edge over those competitor who have the right idea. And then culture, I would like to say this line. When you start tolerating the bad people in your company, your best talent and your right people start leaving you. That's the importance of culture in a company. Okay, so the first core job of an executive is organization culture. Second is networking and relationship. It can be part of your with your executives, board members, your team members. Okay, your client, or you are joining some networking event or building relationship with media houses. This is second core job of an executive. The third core job is self education and learning. Self-education is, let's say you are learning a new tool, you are reading a new book. These days I'm reading a book on artificial intelligence. Okay, so being the director of the company, I still learn every day. I read a lot. Okay, and the next most important job is working on uh, product pipeline and service pipeline. Let's say you have already five product. Okay, what are you doing to make it better? Or are you working on the releasing of next product pipeline? Okay, let's say you have a 1 month plan, 3 month plan, 6 month plan, or a year-long plan that by the next year we will have two more product pipelines. So are you working on that? Okay, these are the most important job of an executive. These are not numbered. Okay, these all hold equal importance. But what is the uh, uh, problem here with us and the executives? First, ideally, we should put our maximum effort at these places, but we are busy with data analysis, predictive modeling, automation, finding personalized insight. Instead of doing the core job, okay, our maximum time goes in repetitive tasks. So how AI can help us. Key AI capabilities. AI can analyze data, vast amount of data instantly. It can analyze it in just fraction of second. Then predictive modeling. AI can forecast trends and demand. Imagine first you enter, you make the product, and then you enter in the market, and then you realize, oh God, this is not the right market for product. Instead of that, what if you can forecast trends and demands in advance? Next, automation. A streamline repetitive workflows. Whatever the repetitive task for you, it can streamline it for you. Okay, then personalized insights. AI, strategies are based on customer behavior. So instead of making the guesswork, you can straight go to AI to tell you what is the right number or insight, and it's going to save you from stress, and you will have far more opportunities to achieve. Okay, that's the power of AI. So let's talk about some important tools, AI tools, which you can use. First of all, if you are working on new product pipeline, new customer, customer behavior, customer segment analysis, or you want to do some market research, business planning, then ChatGPT and Perplexity are great tool. Personally, if you ask me, I use both. Okay, I'm a researcher by profession, by passion. Okay, then I use both and I recommend both. And ChatGPT and Perplexity both have been featured on ReThynk AI magazine cover page. In fact, in last 10 editions, we have featured many entrepreneurs and executives of the cover of the magazine, and I was never the part of the cover of the magazine. So we give importance to the tools, the ideas, the people who are helping you, not to us. None of my team member has been featured so far. Okay, so we give the importance uh, to those who are adding some values. ChatGPT have been featured and Perplexity AI has been featured. Next, uh, that's one of the most recommending challenge or passing challenges, analytics and visualization. If you see an Excel sheet, it's really hard to make a prediction. Only if you are good with numbers, then you can analyze that particular data. I'm good with data interpretation, DI. Okay, so I can make a sense of it. But those who are not good with data or analytics, I highly recommend use tool Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. These are really great tools. Okay, next. If your core challenge is sales and customer engagement, then the two good tools are Crystal Nose and Gong AI, Gong IO. Okay, next, if you want to build your own forecasting predictive model, then IBM Watson and Data Robot are really great tool. IBM Watson was made by IBM, and the Watson name come from the former executive. It's the surname of the former executive. Okay, so in respect of the former executive, IBM has given its name IBM Watson. Okay, next, if automation and operational efficiency is your core challenge, then you can use Zapier and UiPath. So here are my recommendation: research, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. Okay, I highly recommend please pause this video right here. Okay, and after pausing this video, I recommend please note down all these tools somewhere in your journal or notebook. Okay, then analytics and visualization. You can check Tableau, Power BI by Microsoft. These are great tools. Customer engagement, Gong.io and Crystal Notes. They are really effective. Workflow, Asana and Zapier. Okay, these are really great tool, and these are my personal recommendation to you. And most importantly, these tools have been down the line. Okay, one time or the other have been used. Let's say your marketing is doing great. Let's put AI in action. Okay, real life business use cases. Let's say your marketing is going amazing. Now you want to take it to the next step. Then AI optimize your ad spends and personalize customer engagement. Yes. Before earlier, there was only, I have worked in marketing. So earlier there was only one model that you put your resources at the front, and you start a marketing campaign. And after 1 week, after 2 weeks, you analyze the data. So there was only one way to identify whether this campaign is going to work or not, and that was by putting your money. Now you don't need it. You can analyze it even in advance. Like a Netflix AI recommendation increased retention. Next, finance. Your finance is good. Oh, I'm really happy if your finance is going good and I want to grow it more. So AI eliminate financial risks and improve investment strategies. In fact, I have also started using artificial intelligence for some of my investment decisions. However, I recommend please do this particular core work with the help of experts. Okay, some of hedge funds use AI to predict stock market trends. That's a good idea. That's a good example. Operation AI automate. Let's say or your operation is good, but you want, hey Jaideep, our operation is good, but we want to take it to the next step. So here it something which you can do. Please AI use AI to automate inventory management, and Amazon AI warehouse are doing it, and they are doing it great. It has reduced their logistic costs. So what is the ideal case scenario? Ideal case scenario from on the basis of my recommendation. To prepare your best case scenario, please for 3 to 5 weeks, at initial stage when you start integrating artificial intelligence in your business. For 3 to 5 weeks, have both manual working and AI automation. Okay, for 3 to 5 weeks at least. After the testing period, analyze the result of both the cases and make changes accordingly, and reach to a stage where both your team and AI is working together. So one of the result I would like to talk here, my result personally, which I have seen, When it comes to content writing, AI generated content works well on LinkedIn, while human written work content works well on Twitter. Now it's X, earlier it was Twitter. So this is how do you get to know these insights? You get to know these insights only when you start working. Go to LinkedIn, start whatever your core is, marketing or business management or business strategy designing. Content, you are content writers or IT professional or marketing expert or PR expert, whatever you are doing, just start using artificial intelligence to generate your content for LinkedIn, and you will have a decent amount of engagement over there. So what should you do? What you should do? Prepare the content with the help of artificial intelligence and then edit it. Okay, hope you like this. And I know personally you are going to like it very much. Next, overcoming AI challenges in business decision making. First of all, data privacy and security risks. So, if you are starting it, there are two models you should, you should comply. Implement AI models that comply with GDPR or CCPA regulations. So, what are GDPR and CCPA? GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation. It's a European Union law. Okay, it's about data protection of consumers and users. Okay, the second is CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act. Okay, these are when you start implementing artificial intelligence in your business. If you are joining specifically from Europe, I highly recommend please follow the guidelines of General and GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. And if you are joining from US, then follow California Consumer Privacy Act. Then AI bias and accuracy issues. Regularly audit AI models to ensure fairness and accuracy. You can, with your team, you can do a brainstorming that when we are going to, monitor the fairness and accuracy of our AI model. It can be monthly basis, weekly basis, or quarterly basis. It's depend on, your board meeting or your board member. Next, complex AI implementation. Start with small AI automation tools and scale strategically. I always recommend, whether you are whatever you do in your life in general or in profession or in your business, I always recommend. Even if you ask me some workout suggestion, I'm a yellow belt holder in Taekwondo. Okay, if you ask me some suggestions from me, like Jaideep, how can we build a great health? I would recommend please start small and scale it strategically, scale it with the passage of time. Okay, I never recommend please jump in water with both feet. So what is my recommendation, personal recommendation? Please read both the regulations, GDPR and CCPA. Just Google it and read both the articles. Take a printout and read both the regulations and see what are the fine differences in both the regulations. So if you are in US and you want to start in Europe, then it's good to have the knowledge about their regulation act. And if you are joining from Europe, then it's and you want to start in US, then you can read CCPA. However, you are joining from any part of the world, I highly recommend please read both the articles. It will give you a broader understanding. Okay. Yesterday, after watching one of my video, my team member said, "You say okay a lot." Okay. So why AI is the future of business decision making? AI powered decision assistants will provide real-time recommendations. Sometime when, let me take the example 5 years back, how I was operating 5 years back. 5 years back, I was operating, you work manually, you collect all the data. Then on the basis of your entire data collection, you create some analysis and then you implement. So ideal scenario was, let's say, it took me 1 week to collect all the data. So what I did, after collection of 1 week data, and then I need 2 more days to analyze it, and then it was the time of implementation. So actually, when I'm working now, I'm working on the basis of 2 week old data. And when the project was bigger, I was waiting for literally for months to have the the right recommendations. So AI provide you real-time recommendations. Next, AI-driven customer sentiment analysis will predict market shift. Okay, if you get the insights of customer behavior, customer sentiment, you can always make your product on time and as per customer requirement. Next, AI will eliminate decision fatigue, allowing business to focus on high-level strategy. Okay, decision fatigue is really a big thing. Okay, and by now, I don't need to explain it. You already know what I'm talking about. And no, most importantly, AI won't replace business leaders. Leaders who use AI will replace those who don't. So what will happen? What are the benefit? It will save your time. Time is most precious asset of professionals, executives. Forecast predictions. It's your, let's say your forecast prediction is really good. Okay, it will take you to the next step by giving you the customer insights, customer sentiment analysis. Next, it will save your energy. Next, it will strengthen your position as AI leader, as leader. Okay, with the help of AI leadership. So let me repeat again. It will strengthen your position as a leader with the help of AI leadership. So if you are regular, part of Rethink AI community, Rex community, you are already getting good insights. Next, advice for business adopting AI. The advice is same. Start small and scale. Test AI-driven tools for automation and insights before full implementation. Okay, start a small testing and then gradually grow. Invest in AI literacy. Train employees to leverage AI effectively for decision making. If your company provide you right guidance in terms of artificial intelligence, it's great. Otherwise, here is something for you. Every day invest 20 to 30 minutes in testing one AI tool. Okay, for 5 times a week. So from Monday to Friday, put 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. 20 to 30 minutes is enough. Okay, so in 5 days, you will have enough awareness, enough experience on every on one particular type of tool. Next week, you can test another tool. This week you can test, let's say, marketing. Next week it's content writing. Next week it's visualization, and then you can try coding. So it's up to you as per your requirements. If your company companies don't provide you the AI literacy, AI training, please, this is the ideal scenario for you. Leverage AI for competitive advantage. Use AI to analyze competitor, optimize operation, and identify market trend. These are really essential. Let's go to the next. So what are Rethink AI special business strategies for you? AI-driven business consulting, personalized AI models tailored for industry-specific decision making. Okay, don't just use artificial intelligence to save your time, save your cost, improve your efficiency, but use it to customization of your product or service. Make it so personalized that user feel, oh my God, this is only made for me. Next, real-time predictive analytics, AI-powered forecasting tools that anticipate market trends. This is a game changer, and in 2025, this will grow more and more, specifically as marketing tool. Automation plus strategy, AI solutions that integrate both operational efficiency and strategic planning. Number one. Next. So, what are the Rex thought of the video? The Rex thoughts opportunities. AI accelerates decision making and enhance business strategy. Okay, so AI provide you one of the biggest opportunity of this time. What is my secret tip? AI powered businesses outperform competitors in speed, efficiency, and accuracy. So start using AI, and it will establish you as a leader, as a thought leader in your industry. One is the questionnaire. The AI revolution is happening now. Are you ready to lead it? Okay, so whatever your thought, share with me in the comment section. And I'm not going to say okay anymore. So I'm Jaideep Parashar and thanking you for joining. And this is another session where you can understand how you can connect artificial intelligence and your business. Everyone outside is talking about, artificial intelligence, but people are not talking about the right way to integrate artificial intelligence. I have provided you a list of some of the great tools. If you have not checked that, note it down. Please go back, pause the screen, note down all the tools, and start testing those tools. So thank you so much. I'm the founder, director of ReThynk AI. Another presentation, another great work by Vista Libreta. And see you soon. Till then, take care. Whatever your question is, please share us with us in the comment section.